I lost my virginity to Guess Who tournament. Okay, that was my 8-hour Guess Who tournament song. Okay, it's time for the Guess Who tournament. This is the third tournament. It's very exciting. There were so many people that I can't even show you the brackets right now, but I can give you the URL for it. It's going to be at thekate.8k.com/brack3.jpg. I have a link for it. You don't want to type all that bullshit in. So that's what's going on. Anybody who just drops out for no apparent reason, you're never going to be in another tournament again. Instruction video, if you don't know what I'm talking about. All your seasoned veterans, I know you're going to deal well. You know what would be really cool if somebody played their match in real life. Whoever does that gets a 25% bonus. And it's customary to videotape yourself playing. I don't know if I've ever said that in a video. But if you video yourself playing and have a video about it, plus points for that. Cupcakes for everybody. Make sure to be awesome. Be a champion. Be a champion.